Hi there, I'm Dr. Kashmir, a snow leopard conservationalist at Kashmir World Foundation. Today, I am thrilled to introduce Project Trinity, a one-of-a-kind collaborative project that utilizes 3 advanced technologies to offer effective solutions for snow leopard conservation. Project Trinity includes mobile and desktop applications Wildlife Portal and the sleek high-altitude drone Eagle Ray to revolutionize wildlife conservation. The Wildlife Portal mobile app is an invaluable asset in the field, providing exceptional assistance to researchers. The app allows researchers to digitally create and store camera stations and sighting locations, streamlining data management and enhancing efficiency in the field. We can keep our information digital instead of writing it by hand. In that way, the data is automatically transferred to the desktop. The desktop software utilizes AI processing to detect and identify various animals, allowing researchers to efficiently and accurately classify wildlife species for research and conservation purposes. Our YOLO V8 AI model excels at detecting snow leopards and providing precise location information, offering a valuable tool for researchers in studying and conserving this elusive and endangered species. The desktop software serves as a comprehensive data management system, offering superior efficiency and accuracy compared to manual record keeping. The application ensures seamless organization by simplifying data retrieval, especially for enhanced analysis, as well as promoting collaboration among researchers. The habitats where snow leopards reside often encompass challenging terrains. This presents researchers formidable obstacles, necessitating specialized approaches for data collection and conservation efforts. Drones provide a remarkable advantage in such terrains, as they efficiently navigate inaccessible areas and scan surroundings. With their advanced detection capabilities, the drones can identify key points of interest such as wildlife, traps, and poachers. Eagle Rays strive to revolutionize data collection and conservation efforts in remote snow leopard habitats. Can you spot the snow leopard? The drone can!